So we just ran the WIT machine 223 suppressor on the Daniel Defense, which I've ran before. I think I even have a video on it shooting. To me personally, it sounds good without hearing protection. Jonathan on the other side, he's younger than me, so he still has fresh ears. A little uncomfortable for him. I just ran the Huxwrx Flow Through 556 with hearing protection, and I think it was actually quieter than the WIT machine. So now I have no hearing protection, and we're gonna run a few rounds to see how the Huxwrx Flow Through 556 can sounds without hearing protection. To me personally, not bad. It is a more crisp, sharp sound, but it's not a piercing sound. Again, this is a flow through, so everything flows through towards the front, so there's none of that back pressure, there's none of that back sound. And for quite the significant price difference in the two, I'm very well pleased. There is a big price point difference between the WIT machine and the Huxwrx. A lot of hundreds of dollars. But yeah, so without hair protection, to me personally, sounds good.